This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a linker rod. First, understand that a linker rod, sometimes called a push-pull rod or tie rod, is a fundamental mechanical component. It's designed to connect two separate parts, allowing for either the transmission of force or the maintenance of a precise distance between them. This ensures stable and controlled movement within a system, preventing unwanted flex or misalignment. Linker rods come in various forms, but most share common components. You'll typically find a central rod, often with threads, and two rod ends, which might be spherical bearings or clevis ends. Adjustable rods are incredibly versatile, allowing you to fine-tune the length by rotating the rod or its ends. Fixed rods, on the other hand, are designed for applications where a constant, unchangeable distance is required, offering robust stability. Installing a linker rod involves a few key steps. First, attach one end securely to its mounting point. Then, if it's an adjustable rod, carefully rotate the central shaft or the rod ends to achieve the exact length needed for your application. This adjustment is critical for proper alignment and function. Finally, tighten all fasteners to their specified torque, typically using a torque wrench, and double-check for any binding or excessive play. To ensure your linker rods provide long-lasting, reliable service, regular maintenance is essential. Periodically inspect the rod ends for any signs of wear, cracks, or corrosion. If your rod ends have grease fittings, apply a small amount of appropriate lubricant, perhaps every 6 months or after heavy use. Always confirm that all mounting bolts and nuts remain securely tightened. Promptly replacing worn components can prevent more significant issues down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.